Did you know that Gmail and Yahoo are making major updates and things are about to change on February 1st? That's in 14 days. Now, in order to be able to engage in email marketing in 2024, there are some email authentication procedures that you must have in place. And those are SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. These are highly technical and not easy to figure out on your own. However, in this video, I am here to help you and provide some assistance, so there's no need to feel the need to panic, since I will be diving into two options in order to take care of this as soon as possible. So let's get started. First of all, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, in short, you must have SPF, DKIM, and DMARC DNS records set. Otherwise, Google and Gmail will refuse to accept your email. These records tell email servers who is allowed to send email on your behalf. If one of the services that send emails for you doesn't have an SPF record set up, it's likely that that email will be rejected. So here are your options. The first one is to educate yourself and figure it out on your own. Google's website has all the details of everything you must know. So comment the word link below and I will respond with the Google's website so you can learn more about these changes. Please make sure that you educate yourself before proceeding with any changes, because as a business owner, these are policies and changes that does happen periodically and we have no other option but to oblige by them. Option number 2 is that if you know about these new changes and still need help setting it up, I have a company that I highly recommend. They did it for me as well, and their team will help you set up the entire process with a 7-day turnover. And the best part is only $97. So while others will be charging a lot more, this is actually a steal. So comment the word done for you and I will go ahead and reply with their details. Now, what's also great about their sales page is that they have a free 45-minute training explaining what exactly is happening and why we need to do these authentication process. So as a business owner, I highly recommend that you at least watch the video so you could educate yourself and make an informed decision at the end of the day. Now, I understand that there's a cost, right, associated with it. But here's the thing. It's not an easy thing to do on your own. It's highly technical and it is a requirement to send emails. And I also dislike new changes, but we don't have a choice, right? And we are better off just getting it done and charging it as an expense to running a business. This is going to thin out the competition for sure, because I imagine many people are not going to do it, or they're going to wait until the last minute when they can no longer send out emails. So come February of this year, 2024, a lot of people are in for a surprise when their emails are not getting delivered. So my recommendation is taking the route to getting everything set up properly now, whether you learn how to do it or you get someone else to do it, but don't wait anymore. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please give it a like and please share with other business owners. And thank you for watching.